Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Christian, and if you're new to my channel, today I'm just going to be talking about nursing school and giving an update on how my classes have been going since my last video. I know my last video I talked about Intro to MedSurg, Pharmacology, and Mental Health, and I've taken 4 other classes since then. So yeah, let's get right into it. I do have some information listed here that I want to go over. So if I do look down, that's the reason why. But yeah, let me just get started with the intermediate med-surg geriatrics. Geriatrics on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult, I would say it was a 4 for me. It wasn't too bad, and the only reason was because I've worked as a medical assistant for the past 8 years, and a lot of the information I've learned since then to now, everything correlates, and I'm able to understand uh, terminology easier, and understand why exams are orders, or why you look out for certain information. And I passed the class. It was a good class. I got a B plus, and I'm happy about that. And yeah, that's about it. And family OB, that's a different story. Difficulty, I would say it was a 9 out of 10. And the reason is because there's just so much information to try to understand and retain, and I understood it, but it's just like it's a lot. And maybe because it's not a field that I feel that it's calling out to me, so that's probably what made it maybe a little bit more challenging. But I did pass the class. I got a solid B, so I'm happy about that. And after that, I took pediatrics. Pediatrics was fun. It was maybe a 6 out of 10, and the only thing that made it difficult, I would say, was probably just learning about the immunization schedules, which wasn't too bad, but it's just so many immunizations you have to learn and memorize. That made it the most difficult. But other than that, I got a A minus in the class. And pediatrics is a class I could probably see, a specialty I could see myself going into. So public health is a class that I just finished taking, and it was good. The difficulty was, I would say, it's 7 out of 10, and the only reason is because we had 3 PowerPoint presentations that we had to do for a lecture, and 3 PowerPoint presentations that we had to do for a clinical, that were about community, and just doing a lot of research, and like learning about primary prevention, secondary prevention, and tertiary prevention. And I did get an A minus in that class as well, so that I'm very excited about that. And I'm also very excited to say that now I only have 2 terms left. So tomorrow I will be officially starting my first week of advanced med-surg, and after that I will be taking a preceptorship, and my last day of nursing school will be June 13. Crossing my fingers, everything goes well. June 13 will be my last day of nursing school. During this time off, what has helped me stay ahead is taking a look at the syllabus, looking at the assignments that I can do now to save me time for later. So for example, I've already completed 3 papers are due, and a few other papers are due for my clinical class. So I'm just trying to stay on top of it, try to do as much as I can now to save time for later, because I stress that time management is very important during nursing school, and I would definitely always consider like working ahead as much as possible. Questions, or if you want a little bit more information about like certain subjects, or some things to look out for, just leave me a comment, send me a message, and I'll reply to you. And thank you for watching. And my next video, I'll be giving you an update on it's a question I get a lot, is what class did you take, why did you choose West Coast over a community college or a Cal State. So I'll be going into detail on that. And I appreciate you for watching my video, and then yeah, have a good one. Thank you.